A man has been arrested in relation to the shooting death of another man in Trelawny, in the Trelawny community of Allside. Wait a bit. Dead is 27-year-old Kimorley Forbes, a hotel worker from the community. The incident occurred about 5:30 p.m. Sunday on the premises of Spicy Hill Farms. The deceased's father's DALTON Forbes recounts that he heard what he heard took place. He says his son was invited for drinks by his best friend, the shooter.
We have an explosion. When two of my nephew went down, said that my son gets shot. And when time them run up there now, him lie down dead.
Now, it's reported that the killer, a licensed firearm holder, pushed the now deceased in the face before shooting him. One of Forbes' cousins was on the scene.
You give them with no fear. And trust me, you not do nothing more than smile. Before you get shot them, you did a smile. Because when I look at him push off the youth head, you a smile. Suddenly, I see you take out him gun and empty everything from my cousin.
Now we're told the police are still on the scene as residents are threatening to burn the Spicy Hill Farms property where the killer is a manager.